This is a monthly reading for the Sun sign Sagittarius for the month of August. In this reading, I will be taking out cards to know. Sorry, I will be taking out cards to know what is the area of focus or improvement for you, Sagittarius. What is the strength you can work with in the month of August? How will be your social interactions or dealings with the outside world? What is it that is unexpected and coming your way, and how is overall the month of August looking? Basis these cards, wherever I see a energy needs to be balanced, I will do Reiki distance healing to balance the chakras and the energy. So let us see what is the guidance for you. Now please note, Sagittarius, that not everything in this reading will apply to all of you, and whatever may apply will vary in the intensity. So what is the area of focus or improvement? What is the strength you can work with? How's your social interactions looking? What is it that is unexpected and coming your way? And how's overall the month of August? Some of you are feeling financial crunch. It's possible that there have been too much of expenses, or you may have used your long term savings for setting up some business or an enterprise. And while the money has not started to trickle in, you may have almost invested all your money. Or it's possible that some of you are realizing that you should have controlled your expenses little bit because now you are slightly under the weather. It's also possible that, Sagittarius, you may not have anyone to turn to considering your financial distress that you may be facing. So, area of focus really is there is a fair amount of loss that you may have incurred financially. You may now want to make a contact or connection with your family and try to seek their help. It's looking like you're feeling you're all by yourself and you have lost quite a bit of money for some reason. So, this is a general reading, so it may not be the case with all of you, but I do see this energy collectively in a lot of you, Sagittarius. So, this is not the time to just feel all alone and no help is available. You may want to just travel back to your family or call up your friends to come and help you out, because it's looking like some expenses have slightly gone out of budget for you. What is the strength you can work with? Oh wow. It's looking as if you do choose sorry, if you do plan to go back and meet your family, you will be received very well. So if you do go to them for help, in all likelihood you are going to get very well accepted, and all the help and advice will come to you very easily. So don't delay this, Sagittarius. Some of you may even be going through some kind of an emotional loss. There is a family time which is needed, and you should take help of this energy which is your family and close friends. It's quite possible that for some of you, your family members may just give you a reference or give you a plan or give you a job if you're looking for it within the family enterprise. So your family is going to come the big way to help you out, or your friends if you're close to your friends. So work on this energy. Maybe you've been out of touch with your family and friends for quite some time, and you may now want to tie back these relationships. It's also possible that Sagittarius, some of you are so lost in working and making the expenses meet your meet your expenses that you may have just forgotten that there is a life other than just working day in day out trying to make a living. So the very strong guidance is just go and spend some time with your family, and you will be able to emotionally feel very good about things around you. How your social interactions looking? It's time to make some new friends. It's possible that Sagittarius you haven't traveled for quite some time. So some of you are gotten so used to your routine, or your routine is so tight and your schedules may be not giving you a lot of free time that you have not traveled, you have not made any new acquaintances or friends for a long time. So the guidance in social interactions is you may want to travel, you may want to meet some new people and just get a new perspective and break out of this routine or a boredom that you may be going through. Also, some of you may want to take your business to a different location. If it is not working out with the set of people that you're trying to work with, you may want to relocate and then see if you find a good set of people and they accept your ideology really. Now, what is it that is unexpected and coming your way? There is a lot of acceptance. If you choose to travel to a new land or just take up a holiday, there is a lot of acceptance and a good holiday waiting to happen for you. I also see financial success coming unexpectedly if you connect with people. So, if you're feeling your expenses are going a little bit out of hand and you don't know how better to handle it, the guidance is spend time with your family, make some new acquaintances, or travel and then meet some new people. And it's telling me you're going to be accepted well, and these connections are going to help you make some kind of a financial gain. So you have to be now focusing more on people and dealing with people and making connections than just working and making money, because it's looking like you have unknowingly or knowingly cut yourself out from the social scene. So you don't want to be this person. For some of you, it's pregnancy coming along, and it's possible that you have a pending marriage and you are just realizing you just don't have enough money to spend on the marriage, and you may be a worried lot. But there is help on its way, and it's telling me your finances should improve very quickly. So worry is you are right in worrying because there is a money crunch. But overall, I do see there is help and support which is available to you. So how's overall the month of August? Month of August will go in the direction you want to take it. So if you want to win over your situation, choices are available to you, and it will purely be your decision whether you want to help your situation or not. If you would still like to be in your routine and deal with whatever difficulties that may be there, emotional or financial, you can totally do so. The guidance is month of August is waiting to happen as a big month, provided you are willing to take the journey and make the changes. Travel is coming up very strongly, so you should be looking forward to a travel, Sagittarius, either with your family or you could travel alone if you want to. So a very strong set of cards and bit of work which is coming up for you, Sagittarius. So looking at these cards, I want you to have a very strong willpower to make the change and to ask for help if you need it. So I will be taking out seven cards corresponding to seven chakras in the body, and I will be charging the solar plexus with the Reiki distance healing. Now, solar plexus is the only chakra in the body which, when we charge, will also charge all other chakras as well. And it is the energy of manifesting all your dreams and goals in the universe. So, let us see what is the energy I get for solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and the crown chakra. So, I will like to charge the solar plexus with chariot, which is about going after your dreams and goals and not being afraid of having to take up a very big change to help your situation.